Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Henches with Beyond the Chart. In this technical analysis of the stock market video, we're going to take a quick look at the Nasdaq Composite on a daily and weekly view. Then check in on the VIX. I'm going to show you a picture I don't think you've seen before. Then look at the semiconductors, home builders, and financials to round out the week. So stay tuned. All right, let's take a look at the composite. This is the daily chart. The biggest thing from last week was this huge downdraft that occurred on Thursday, very bearish. It did not close below the 10-day moving average. We had a down day on Friday, which did, it stayed above the 10, so still riding. We haven't had a complete breakdown, but we are getting very near, very close to the end of this impulsive wave move to the upside. Okay, we are in an intermediate wave 5, and within that intermediate wave 5 impulse wave, we have 5 minor waves to the upside. This fifth wave is extended. Typically, of the 3 impulse waves, 1, 3, and 5, 2 of the 3 have a tendency towards equality. They don't have to be equal, but they many times will be close to being equal. Well, here we've got 1 and 3 that are in that situation. And wave 5 extended. So when I look at this, it looks to me like we're getting very, very close to the end of minor wave 5 within intermediate wave 5. And that is the end of this big run that we've had from the bottom of 2009. So we're getting very, very close. So what was the price action this last week? Is a little doji star in here. We're down 13 points for the week. So this is either going to be a pause or it's going to be a possible reversal top in here. Well, the only way we're going to find out is the price action this coming week here. Now, it hasn't broken down yet. It continues to ride to the upside, so we just need to watch the price action very closely in here. I want to take a quick look at the VIX. Now, this is a picture. Here's where we're at. We closed at 10.29 on Friday. Got a couple of days above that 10-day moving average. Thursday, Friday, big expansion on Thursday with that downdraft move. But the main thing I wanted to show you is, well, a couple of things actually. Number one, this move down here on Wednesday, a potential reversal candle, which is so far acting like it is the reversal low down here. This low came down to this trend line I had drawn. And that line had been drawn a couple of weeks ago, okay? I've been showing this to my insider members for a couple of weeks now. This is something I saw one day when I just kind of scanned back. This looks like a very large compression to me. You can see what's going on in terms of the volatility moves in here, and it's compressing and compressing and compressing. This is getting very tight. To me, this is saying that an explosive move is coming and we're just squeezing down. We're squeezing down. You can see what happened back here. Now, we didn't get this kind of huge compression that's occurring, but we had a small little head and shoulders action that happened at August of 2015 when we had that huge explosion to the upside. And we've had similar type things before, but this is pretty dramatic, so that's why I'm keeping an eye on that, and you need to also. Take a look at semiconductors. The semiconductors were down $1.12 for the week. Potential little reversal candle. Again, we always say reversal candles are potential because they need follow through. Now, we do have, on the daily chart, we do have a couple closes below the 10 in here, so this is going to be interesting to watch to see whether this starts to roll over. The home builders on a weekly chart was down 27 cents for the week. After all this series, I talked about this last week, of little doji type stick candles in here. Got a little lower close. This is the lowest close of the last, close below the low of the last 4 weeks. So this, again, looks like a little bit of weakness showing up, but it hasn't totally broken down yet. Financials, a similar type thing. Now, this is a daily chart. Let me go to the weekly chart real quick. You could see this was the move for the week. It was up 11 cents, but we're right at this trend line. And I think on Friday, we may have started to break this trend line. This is that rally from late May, this whole move from late May. looks like we may be getting ready to roll over after we came up and tested that previous high, that February high in here. We tested that and now we've sold off. So watching this pretty closely also. All right, that's it for this week. Stay tuned for other videos coming out during the week. I'll have one on a stock tomorrow probably. If you're looking to become a better trader, get my surefire #1 surefire trading checklist. Just click the link on the screen and you'll be able to get access. All right, that's it for today. Remember to share the video and hit the like button if you haven't done that yet. All right, everyone, have a great week.